I am rambling too much. Again, it's the first wig of 2025, and we are doing this, y'all. We are making videos again. This is the best you're gonna get if you're trying to get a silky straight kind of look on a synthetic budget, but a human hair look. This is amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I am talking about this wig from Sensationnel, and she is nice. She is so beautiful. I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about this wig, but before we get started, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump in. Well, hello there. So today we are talking about this Barelace glueless lace wig. It is a human hair premium fiber blend, and it is 100% full lace wig. No wefts, full lace. Yes, we've been waiting for this. So this is the unit 1. I have the color Balayage chocolate, and there are definitely other colors in this collection, a lot of other balayage, and it looks like a beige blonde and brown in there. So this lace is supposed to be so thin that it's allowing barely any visibility. It's pre-plucked, the knots are smaller, and it's supposed to be glueless. So this is what it's looking like right out the pack. Y'all already see those thin knots looking nice, and this color and this texture feels so good. It seriously feels like a straight up human hair wig. It feels really good, y'all. So this is what the cap is looking like. You can wear this wig glueless if you want. It has an elastic band, and it also has that silicone grip in there. The lace is all around. It's really lightweight since it doesn't have any wefts or tracks in there. There is some lace in the back. You want to wear this wig up and put her in a ponytail. That's what that's looking like. And against my skin, I definitely need to tint it. I'm going to show you guys a full install in a short. Check the video out right here, but let's jump into the wig review. Guys, hey. Happy New Year. How are you guys doing? Y'all, this is the first video on this channel of 2025, so happy New Year. We are here. I just literally just talked for like 10 minutes and didn't have my microphone on. We are starting the new year off, and I still don't realize I need to put my microphone on, but we're here. We're present. So happy New Year to you guys. I'm happy to be here. I'm so happy to be here. I'm grateful. I know I went a little ghost on y'all in 2024, kind of after like my Ursula costume, show you how I did it. I went ghost. I had a lot going on. I had a lot going on, and I need to mentally check myself, but thank God we are here, we are present. So shout out to being present, okay? I did do this video a little different. If you guys have been following me for a while, I normally show you exactly how I install these wigs on camera on my long form content, but I'm thinking to switch it up in 2025, okay? I'm thinking to show you guys the extra jazz, the extra, maybe the makeup tutorial part of it, maybe the install part of it on short videos, because that's where the world is going. People don't have the attention span anymore. They don't want to watch the whole long video. They want to see the shorts. So if you want to see exactly how I install this wig, check out this reel right here. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did to install it, down to the baby hairs, down to the tinting, down to the lace adhesive, all that jazz. So I think I'm gonna start doing that on this channel. Y'all comment below if you want to see that, or you want to see it in the long form content of this YouTube video. But we're trying to see what to do different to grow on this channel, because we need to get past 10K in 2025, okay? Yes! So I'm trying to switch up my background, y'all. I know it's a new year, new me, you know how they say that, but either way, I'm trying to switch up my background. I have this plant. I got this plant like during COVID, when I first got COVID, and it was so small. Look at my plant. Look at my baby. She is grown. The last 4 years this plant has grown. I don't know if I want to incorporate it in my background, but you know, she is here in this first video that we're doing. She's so big. I was just like, I don't know, how do I switch it up? But this plant means a lot to me because of what I went through with COVID. Y'all stay tuned for my COVID update, because I do owe you guys that. I need to tell you exactly how I feel post-COVID, because I still kind of feel away. That's not what the video is about. So I have a lot of content coming up for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. I know I drop in and I drop out, but I'm trying to get the flow right, because we need to grow. We need to grow on this channel. We need to grow together. We need to get to know each other more, and we're gonna do this. 2025 is the year, so y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because I got a lot of content coming up for y'all. I got a lot of new content coming up for y'all, okay? Right here, but let's go ahead and jump into this wig, because this wig is beautiful. What a way to start out 2025, okay? So this wig is from the Barelace collection. This is from Sensationnel. I really love this brand. This is a synthetic wig brand, but this wig in particular, they have had a lot of Barelace units that I've reviewed last year, but this one is a human hair blend, and if you know me, you know how I feel about human hair blends. It's a little human hair mixed with synthetic hair, and they blend it together, and I feel like the quality to me kind of holds up better. Either it's a different synthetic brand like Outre, Bobby Boss, whatever. Synthetic blends hold up better. So this is a human hair premium fiber blend. So I'm totally excited for that. When I saw that, I had to grab it for y'all. I had to grab the wig. But as far as this wig, this is the full lace unit 1. And yes, I do have unit 2 and unit 3 coming up for you guys. So y'all make sure you stay tuned, okay? I'm gonna try to edit these videos better and faster for you guys, because I've been slacking on the way I've been editing. I have so many videos from 2024 that I filmed, like I want to say October, November, that I still not have edited, but I'm going to get on it. So that's coming up. I got a lot of stuff coming up for y'all. So I'm trying to get back in the flow of things, okay? I have the color Balayage Chocolate. This color is amazing. Just a few specs. So if you're not familiar with this collection, I have reviewed a few wigs from this collection before. It's saying that this lace is so thin that it looks like skin, and it absolutely is, y'all. I've reviewed so many wigs from this collection when they first started coming out in 2024, and I like where Sensationnel is going with this. It says that the lace is diffusing lace material. It's beyond HD transparent. It's barely allowing lace visibilities, because the grids are supposed to be bigger, so it's looking more like skin. And every single wig that I have reviewed from this collection last year has been a hit, and I was dying for a human hair blend with this collection. So I'm so happy that we got it. Thank you, Sensationnel. This collection, I noticed the lace is a little kind of stretchy. When the laces are like this, they work better. They just work better. It's saying that it's pre-plucked. I'm going to talk about that. Hand-tied lace wig, glueless install, 40% thinner lace for more transparent melting on the skin. Let's talk about this wig. So I do have the color Balayage Chocolate. You cannot go wrong with this chocolate. It is a perfect brown blend. The roots are dark, and then it goes into this chocolate color here. Let's turn on some more light. Look at that. Like it is just perfect. Like, it looks so good. If you are looking for a brown balayage highlight blend, you cannot go wrong with Balayage Chocolate. It always hits. So off camera, I did show you guys exactly how I installed this wig again in my short video. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see the install on the full form video or the short video, if that works. But I feel like for 4 or 5 years I've been showing you guys how to install, and it's taken me so long to edit the video when I show you the install process, and I want to jump straight into the video because I'm taking forever to get the videos out. So check the reel out right here. I showed you how to install it. I went in with these wispy baby hairs, but look at this melt, y'all. Like, do y'all see that? Oh, I gotta take a picture. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. The blend was looking so good. I had to do some thumbnails for y'all and show y'all the melt. I had to show y'all the melt and how good it was looking. I did install this wig with my Kiss Colors and Care adhesive spray, which I showed you in the short video if you didn't watch it. I really like this lace adhesive spray. I've been using plenty of different ones, but I think this one really is a good hold. It's a really good hold. This might be my favorite. I think this is my favorite over even last year. I used to say bedhead, but this is it. This is my favorite, y'all. It's even running low. So it's my favorite. Absolutely. I love the Barelace collection. I don't know what else to say. If you are looking for a human hair silky straight dupe synthetic, this might be it. I did review Mariella last year. That had wefts, and the beauty of this one right here is that it's hand tied. We're not getting any tracks in this wig. Like, it is all throughout, you know. Yeah, it's a little brighter because if you saw my short video, I went in with the lace tint only in the front. You can use powder, you can use lace tint spray, sprayed all around, but it'll look like scalp. It'll absolutely, this is looking like ash. But it'll look like scalp. It will look like scalp, I promise you, if you go in with your lace tint spray. As far as the length, let me show you guys what she's looking like. The density is not bad. It's actually really realistic and kind of everyday. I think I might go ahead and sell this one. I have so many wigs coming up for you guys that I'm going to be selling majority of the wigs that I review on this channel. If you're not familiar, follow my Macari. It does help keep this channel alive. When I resell these wigs, I kind of freshen them up and I resell them to you guys. But that's another story. If you know, you know. The link is down below. But yeah, I had no issues installing this wig. I do like the texture of this wig. It is more on the silky side with a light yaki as far as texture goes. It's not a lot of texture, but it is a light yaki on here, so it's not super silky. I feel like this is the perfect human hair blend wig for a silky straight dupe. You can't go wrong with this. A lot of girls I notice on other platforms like TikTok are looking for this silky straight human hair wig, and I did review one that was trash. It was so bad, y'all. It was so bad. I didn't even know what to say. I reviewed it, but I wasn't pushing it because it was shedding. This wig, it sheds, but it's not shedding bad. Like, this is what synthetic wigs are supposed to shed like minimal strands. You expect shedding with synthetic wigs, just not what that other one was doing. And this one is not giving me that. It is nice. It is a really good silky straight dupe. Now, silky straight is not for everybody. Some people like kinky, some people like more textured, but if you're looking for a silky straight dupe, this is it. I think this wig will respond well to my Brandywine shampoo and conditioner, even the silicone shampoo and conditioner. I've been experimenting with that, and I think this wig will come back to life with that. As far as maintenance goes with this wig, apply a little bit of heat, y'all. When it starts getting a little tangly and a little frayed, it's not bad. I am running my fingers through it. It's not gonna last all night. I'm letting you know now. I use my little heat brush and run it through, because some of these synthetic fibers, they get a little scraggly, but it's not bad. Get your little detangling brush. I love the unbrush. Detangle. Get you a little bit of synthetic wig spray, a little bit of Simply Styling spray, light, and also a synthetic wig spray. Right now, all I can find is this Janet Collection one, but I've showed you guys plenty. And detangle and brush, okay? Brush. The wig, this is the best you're gonna get if you're trying to get a silky straight kind of look on a synthetic budget, but a human hair look. This is amazing. This is really good. As far as heat goes, I wouldn't suggest curling up this wig and doing too much. Just get the Barelace, maybe unit 2 or 3. Get the ones that it comes with the curls. But this one, this is for the silky straight girls. Okay? I don't think I have anything else to say about this wig. The cap feels good. I don't have a headache. Again, check the link below because y'all know I sell my wigs. I like this wig. I absolutely will repurchase this wig if I had a choice. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I am rambling too much. Again, it's the first wig of 2025 and we are doing this, y'all. We are making videos again. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. If you want to see the makeup, I did do a short video to that, so follow me on all my socials. And the shirt is giving growth because we are growing in 2025. We are growing. I'll leave a link on my LTK for all of this stuff, even down to the nails, even down to the jewelry. Y'all know I leave links. I leave links for everything because you guys ask and I forget. So they will be linked below. So y'all let me know if you like the form of this video, like if you want to see the wig install in the videos. But I think for the sake of me editing and getting you guys more content quicker, I'm going to start maybe making the short video of it or referring you back to a short, because I feel like y'all know how to install these wigs. Y'all know how to install these wigs. If I show you what products I use, I'm just going to tell y'all how I feel about the wig, okay? Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later.